Welcome to Unity College. We are located on the beautiful Sunshine Coast. My name is Brett Jones and I'm very proudly the college principal here at Unity. I have the privilege of working with students, staff and families and leading our community. Unity College is a Prep to Year 12 learning community. Our ecumenical identity is founded on the uniting and the Catholic faith traditions. We are also proudly owned and operated by Brisbane Catholic Education. Our ecumenical identity is underpinned by our ecumenical principles. These allow our uniting and Catholic faith traditions to work side by side. The principles include dialogue, inclusive practices, and solidarity of purpose. As a Prep to Year 12 learning community, we are very proud of the fact that our students move through seamless transitions. We get to know our young people and their families. We get to hear their stories and we get to help form that strong sense of belonging, acceptance and connection that allows our young learners to thrive. We have a saying here at Unity College that when well-being is prioritised, learning is optimised. The learning and the well-being work together. Our mission at Unity College is that we are a learning community uniting, inspiring and succeeding through Christ. Each and every day, it is our aim to have that inclusive approach that unites our young people. Our students are inspired by the faith messaging of our uniting and Catholic traditions. They're also inspired by each other, and they're inspired by our staff each and every day. Success here at Unity College is about learning and growth in all dimensions. With a diverse range of pathways on offer, we believe we are able to meet all of our young people where they are at. Our culture tradition at Unity College is underpinned by the circle. The circle represents interconnectedness and it also represents the infinite nature of God's love. The Unity College Circle is also underpinned by high expectations, promoting student advocacy, and developing a deep sense of care for the other in our community. At Unity College, we hope that all students, families and staff feel a strong sense of welcome, feel a strong sense of pride, and we continue to develop a strong sense of empathy in our young people. Empathy for those in our local, regional and global communities, proudly developing the citizens of tomorrow. Thank you.